Hola, Fiberitas.
What's happening?
Welcome to another episode of the Disney Beams. I'm Sherry.
And if you don't know who I am by now, you haven't been watching very long. I'm Gooch.
Yeah, sure. And Josie's in there. So before we
She's
get...
in there. In there.
She's right there.
In there.
She's right there.
Right over there.
Yes.
In there. In there.
So, so before we get to the reason why we're doing this video, proud mommy and daddy moment. As most of you know, Josie had her very first dance competition this past weekend.
And what did they do?
They got third in their division.
And what else did they do?
They're going to nationals.
They qualified for nationals.
They surprised a lot of people.
How many of these kids was at their first competition?
3 of them were at their very first.
And there was three out of what, 6 or 7?
7. 3 out of 7 at their first competition.
But it's their first competition as a group together.
As a group together.
And the choreography was very challenging.
It was very challenging. She's in a mini hip hop group, as most of you know. But they got up on that stage and,
they rocked it.
Josie's 4, and I think the rest of the girls are 5. A couple of them may be 6 because I think some of them are in kindergarten. But
they rocked
that stage, and it couldn't be any prouder. And Josie got a Ruby Award for most photogenic. So
and Ruby is the
step below diamond.
It's the step below diamond. Diamond being the highest rating.
Yep. So we had a really great first competition, and June she'll be going to nationals.
Yeah.
So
what was the group's overall rating? Was it Ruby also?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean
they did really good.
Yeah. I mean they like I said, they surprised a lot of people. As young as they were, they stayed together.
There were some more experienced groups that they handed them their honey.
It was. They did incredible. So proud. If you were on my Instagram this weekend, you saw some of the pictures with her and her little troll outfit.
And some of your Twitter. And
on Twitter.
Feed, yeah. And Facebook, too.
And Facebook. If you saw her and her little troll outfit, it was the most adorable thing ever. But
the reason we're here is we got some mail.
We got a box.
What's
in the box? Well, let's see.
Well, it's Mickey's mystery box.
What?
So.
Well, I guess it is. It's that time again.
So we have cut the tape. We have not opened to see what's inside yet.
I mean, that just like we normally do. Now, I want to go ahead and just put this out there. We are not sponsored by Mickey's Mystery Box. I purchased this monthly. I was going to say subscription. Myself, we're not sponsored. We are featured on their website, but
just because they asked us if we would.
Yeah, they asked if they could do it. We are not sponsored, but we've really enjoyed doing this.
You know what? The value that we've gotten that they've provided in the boxes has been amazing. So this is the Spoonful of Sugar box.
The Spoonful of Sugar box. This is the smallest of the 3
tiers.
Monthly subscription boxes, and I think they also do like a monthly snack box, and they also have one-time boxes if you want to try a box. They're a little bit more expensive, but this one is $29. The retail on it is $29.99
plus shipping,
and then with shipping it's around $40. So let's
see what's in the box.
Unbox the magic.
Oh, we have packing paper. As is tradition.
All right, so first thing, we usually get a part map. And I think we've already got this. It's right over there. We already got this one, so maybe we can put this for a future giveaway.
Look at that right there.
Yeah, so maybe we can put this one in for a future giveaway.
Now, are we Disney nerds or what? We got park maps just laying around.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, we got... Okay.
So there's some big stuff here.
So we've got this. I think we're going to do this one last. We got to wrap them up.
So, look at that. So they ask you what you like.
They have.
And we told them.
Yeah, you put in the little description box when you sign up. Josie, please go in there until we're done. Oscar, awesome.
Okay. All right.
She's watching the video.
No.
Josie, we'll call you when it's time to sign off, okay?
So that is a Star Wars pin with a Rebel insignia.
Oh, yeah.
And it's got
Looks like Finn and Finn.
Ray,
Finn and Ray.
Finn, and is that?
That's BB-8.
That's Poe Dameron down in there too.
And I think that's Poe Dameron right there.
So you got Poe Dameron, BB-8, Ray, and Finn.
ForceForChange.com. Wait a minute, it says something here on the back.
On the pin.
Force for Change, empowering and improving the lives of children around the world. This year's Star Wars Force for Change is collaborating with UNICEF Kid Power. UNICEF Kid Power gives kids the power to save lives. By getting active with the UNICEF Kid Power Band, kids earn points that unlock funding that enable UNICEF to deliver life-saving packets of therapeutic food to malnourished children around the world. 25% of the retail price of this product will be donated to the UNICEF, the U.S. Fund for UNICEF, and support for UNICEF Kid Power.
25% of the proceeds of this pen.
Of this.
Yeah, and it's $16.99 is the price of the pen.
Yes.
I don't know if you can see.
It's hard to see
that.
But let's see if we can. Yeah, that's a really awesome pen and a great cause. Oh my gosh!
So here is a T-shirt, and it looks like is that my size or your size?
I think we both can fit on that one.
Yeah.
But
it's a long sleeve tee.
So and I like the long sleeve tees. Oh, I love that!
Yeah.
I've been wanting one of these.
Well, you got one.
Woo!
Awesome.
So,
because I don't really do long sleeves tees very much, so this will be cherries.
And what's the retail?
It does not have the retail price.
Oh, I think it got
must
cut.
have come off.
Yeah, come off right here. It's probably floating around down here.
Oh my gosh, look at that! We've been seeing these!
Oh, OMG!
It's lavender, and check it out. We're gonna pop the tab. Yeah, so now when I wear my Pluto ears...
Your Pluto Christmas ears?
You got Christmas ears. I'm sorry, I went right past the t-shirt when I saw that.
So the t-shirt's awesome. We don't know what the price is, but I'm sure it's
like, they're usually around $30.
$30, yeah. Oh, but look at this! Look at this!
That's awesome. I saw those, I'm like, oh my gosh, we got...
Oh my god!
That's awesome.
So yeah, it's price point lavender, whatever that is. Let's see how we turn it off. But as you can see, you got the Christmas lights.
Turn it off with the switch there, baby.
And it says Happy Holidays. So got something to wear to the Christmas party. What? Oh, that is so super awesome. He just like bullied his way right through that and didn't even.
I saw what it was. Now this,
here, well, let's make sure there's
nothing else there.
There's nothing else. Okay.
Okay. Now this looks like there's a mug.
Maybe a mug.
Yeah, it's a mug.
Oh, it got a handle.
Oh, I see
it. Oh, this is Hollywood Studios. And it's Mickey. Director Mickey saying action. Oh, that's awesome. And the price point on this is $15.99.
So,
okay, so that's it for that box. But once again,
I mean, the pen was $16.99. That's $15.99. The shirt is at least $25. I'm gonna say $30.
Yeah. So.
And then you got the ears, which are price point lavender. I don't know what that price point is right off the top of my head, but I bet you it's at least $10.
Oh, at least probably more because it lights up.
Well, yeah. It says Happy Holidays on the front. They're getting us ready for the holiday spirit.
Yeah.
Although they must know that we come for the Christmas party.
How would they know that?
Because we've been there for the Christmas party for a few times in the last
couple years.
Yeah.
So there you go. Once again, a fantastic box. So let's show the shirt. Let's show what we got again.
You got the shirt. Black Mickey Walt Disney World shirt.
Yes.
Long sleeve tee. It's actually pretty heavy material too.
Yeah, it's almost closer to a sweatshirt on this.
It's like in between a regular tee and a sweatshirt. It's not quite a sweatshirt.
And then of course the Magic Kingdom Park map. We're going to put this over here for a future giveaway.
The ears.
Well, I'm trying to grab as I can. So we got the mug from Hollywood Studios, and we love the mugs. We got the really awesome pen for charity. It is actually Star Wars The Last Jedi, so it's The Last Jedi pen and
the ears.
Light up ears. Oh my god, it's so awesome!
Yeah, she likes those.
Oh my god,
that's almost like I was for the Pluto ears.
Yeah,
with the antlers.
Those antlers.
Follow the antlers.
that became
magical moments in Mermaid and Jedi Adventures.
They know what it's like to follow the antlers.
We're not following buzzards. We're following the antlers.
Okay, Bray Wyatt. All right, so that's it for the box. I think
we're here.
So yeah, we're every Wednesday we do a trip vlog. We are into our May 2017 trip. I think we're gonna try
to do that live stream of Magic Geekdom.
Saturday at 1 o'clock on Magic
Eastern Time
on Magic Geekdom's YouTube. We're going to be doing a live stream with them where we talk about Disney stuff.
Yep. And then we may do a top 5 live stream Saturday night. We don't know yet.
We're not sure. I'm still kind of exhausted from this.
It depends on how scheduling goes.
Yeah, because Josie's actually getting ready. We were going to do one tomorrow, but Josie actually starts soccer practice for the spring.
I will say, for those of you that join us on our live streams, first of all, thank you.
Yes.
And they're very lively, and we have a lot of fun.
We do.
We just talk about we kind of get through what we're there to talk about, and then we go off on tangents, and it ends up being all sorts of
we have very lively discussions.
Interactions.
And the last time, you know what, we had to redo the live stream. It got screwed up again. What happened was it was loading onto.
And the iPad was updating.
And the iPad decided to do a software update in the middle of that.
So the 1 hour and 15-minute live stream ended up taking 45 seconds to view.
Yeah. So
there was no audio. It was basically this is what you saw on the live stream if you saw it after it uploaded. And that was it.
So I decided to go ahead and delete it and.
We may do it again at a later date.
I think we're going to revisit that topic down the road.
A later date, but let's let's move on to a different topic, and then
let's see.
May come back to
let's see. So let's see. We've run through the attractions at each park. We've done the rides at each park. We've done several.
We've done several about restaurants.
Let's see. Oh, that's a hard one.
How about this? Comment below with a topic you would like, and if we see one before Saturday, we may that sparks our interest.
Or if we think of it,
we'll take that up. Or if we think of one without a suggestion, we'll just surprise you.
Yeah. So comment below if you have a top 5 you would like to see us do. Or if you have a topic you would like to see us have a live stream discussion with.
Doesn't have to be a top 5. It can just be a topic.
It could be a topic. So comment below and let us know what you'd like for us to discuss, and definitely come and join. And we just have a lot of fun.
Yeah, usually if we do a live stream, it'll probably be Saturday night around 7:30ish. Eastern time is when we typically do that.
We usually try to do them on Tuesdays. However, like I said, tomorrow Josie starts soccer practice. So
it'll probably be Saturday night.
Yeah.
Because we're hip like that, and we hang out on YouTube on Saturday nights.
When your parents are a 4-year-old, that's being wild and crazy.
We're wild and crazy guys.
Oh God!
I totally went Steve Martin.
You did. All right, let's call her in here and let her.
All right, Josie, you ready to help us sign off?
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Do I have one of yours?
Yes, you can have some of mine. Come here, hop up there, and we'll give you some blue packing confetti.
Here.
As is tradition.
Yeah, you need more. Here.
Okay.
No. All right.
I chew.
All right, Josie. So.
How do we sign off?
Yeah. Peace. Rock. And everything dust.
A little bit of pixie dust.
That's right.
What's this?
That's
it's
not
candy.
You weren't
All right.
supposed to say that.
All right. Mwah.
Thank you, guys. We'll see you later.
Right. Whoa.
Oh, gotta grab everything.
Seriously, kid?
Gotta
It's
grab
like,
everything.
all right. Mwah.
See ya.
Bye, guys. Well, what will we do, Josie? Josie, what did we say? Well,
see you real soon.
see you real soon.